Hello and welcome to Autotech India. Recently, a 4x4 off-roading event was organized at AES Ground, Ahmedabad, which was sponsored by Isuzu. This event also had a dirt bike racing event. Around 9 to 10 obstacles were designed specially for the off-roading experience. The off-roading experience featured a modified Isuzu D-Max V-Cross with a rebuilt suspension along with the bigger wheels for better grip on the off-roading track. Anyone with a valid driving license could drive the D-Max V-Cross on the off-roading track along with a nominal entry fee. The driver was accompanied by a senior experienced rider who would guide the driver during the course of the track through different and specially designed obstacles. The off-roaders would go through muddy terrain, inclined slopes and other obstacles which would give them a real 4x4 experience which they would remember throughout their life. The Isuzu D-Max V-Cross performed very well throughout the course and almost every off-roader was pleased with the performance. Now, talking about the dirt biking event, this event had 40 to 50 dirt bike racers in various categories including foreign open and women's special. A special attraction was a dirt bike racer of only 30 years in age along with a racer of only 5-year old along with their specially customized bikes. This event also featured a battle of bands in which 10 prominent bands of Ahmedabad performed live at the. It's bye for now and hope to see you soon. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment and please subscribe Autotech India.